I will tell you the best and easiest way to create a mobile hotspot in your Android phone. So you need to scroll down from the top and then see the hotspot. Now you don't have to click on that, you need to press and hold that. And the moment you do that, you will find the hotspot name. You can mention whatever you want to. I'll mention Adam's phone like this, and I'll click on OK. So the hotspot name is changed. You can set the hotspot password. If you do not want any security, you can select none, but I would recommend to select WPA2 personal and enter the password and one-time mobile data usage. You can you can allow maximum number of connections, how many connections you want to connect, and here you can change the band if you wish. You can go with 5 gigahertz band prefer, and you can turn on supports Wi-Fi. And the moment you turn it on, you will see the icon of hotspot, the mobile hotspot on your at the top right corner, and this is how you can enable the hotspot. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.